Good morning, and here we go. The top-down analysis of US30. If you hear background noises, it's because I'm in a construction site. So, right, so weekly. So as usual, I have my trend lines. I don't go too much in the past. I'm just looking at what is available next to price. So the first thing I'm seeing, this was already marked up. So let me delete everything. Internet can be slow sometimes. Right, so this is my, all right, so this is my downtrend right there. And I'm not looking at here, I'm looking to take the lower highs, so these two. So initially the trend line was like this, then we would have noticed this rejection, but then it printed a lower low, so now I can adjust the trend line like that. Right, so this was a break of structure. I'm going to, and this is my Fibonacci. So the fib is still open. It looks bullish because, so then we will see with the fundamentals and what will go on the stock market, but background, yeah, because it's still open and I want to see, well, this is probably a 50%. 50%, and let's delete the other 38. All right, perfect. Now, what I notice is that US30 is rejecting the top of this range. Let's go lower, and this is also what. So I cannot draw a trend line now because it has not printed a higher high, which would be, no, oh, wait. So what I'm noticing is downtrend. I can draw another trend line there. And let's see if on the daily I'm seeing something worth of a trend line. So here, what I'm seeing is a rejection of my diagonal support, which is the trend line, and also this is a key level. You see how perfect? Perfect. Right, we don't need it anymore. And so now on the daily, this is my trend line. And this is my trend line also. So this was 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We had a break of structure. Let me see. Ooh. Divergence here. Diverging break of structure. So what could happen is that this impulsive move, this one, which broke structure here, and actually this was another level. Yeah. It's likely to finish. It was input correction continuation, so it's likely to finish the correction before coming up. So I want to see something like, well, now we're in daily. I want to see it coming lower. So something like, I wanted more candles. Yeah, something like this. If it stops there, it has to give me an entry. Yeah. So this is it in the end. What it did, there were a few trades last week. For example, look how this fib perfectly ended at the negative 61.8, completely reversed divergence. And this was the low. This was the minus structure low. And this was both the retest of the low and yes. So this was the trade. This was the trade. And yes. So for Monday, I will be looking for it to first of all come back to the trend line. I wanted to finish its fib. Let's see the 23 retracement. It didn't retrace to 23. So I want, before even talking of a short, I want to see retracing to 23 first, finishing the fib, and then reversing, because then I would know that this impulsive move would be over. So it's going to be the waiting game. So I'm going to draw it this way. So first of all, yeah, I want to see retracement to 23, reaching my negative 27. It has still a thing to do, but first of all, it's going to come back to this level and potentially consolidating and touching the trend line. Okay, so this was it. Hope it's useful. Bye.